French customer receives a Mac Studio order a few days early.
Ooh.
That's a fun as a customer.
Yeah. Well,
As a
right now
fan?
where everything's getting delayed and
That you might make that noise that I just made. The
the
FedEx guy rolls up. You didn't order anything else. FedEx guy rolls out. What do we have here? Then he winks at you.
I don't like that. Man,
Oh my goodness.
very creepy.
Why does a wink have to mean that, Will? Can you please not go
The
there?
internet has ruined me.
I mean, what if it's just a friendly wink? Why no wink? Don't you have the winky face in your emojis?
Oh, yeah.
Have you ever used it even once?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you just proved the point. You can do it. It's possible to do it. A French Apple fan has received his Mac Studio order a few days before orders are officially supposed to arrive, and he has shared images of the device too. The Mac Studio buyer is named Simon. French language site Mac Forever has reported he should just start making YouTube videos right now.
Yeah.
He would crush. He should just get a camera and just start loading up YouTube.
Yeah, just anything.
Here's my studio. How fast is the SD card slot? I'm going to plug analog audio devices into it.
Yeah, because he's not getting any money from these shots.
I'm doing the
I don't think so.
the benchmarking.
Oh.
I'm doing desk setups.
You want him to go real deep with
I'm
it.
listening to this, but he should split it all up so we can pick and choose what we want.
Like clips?
It's incredible stuff. This guy's got a huge opportunity. He can try to overheat it. He can stick it in a freezer like
I
Dave
don't
2D. Shout out, Tony. What does he say? You should check out the video Singularity from the channel Bad History. Maybe I will. Okay. It's about Elon Musk. Thank you, sir. Back in May 2021, a few Apple customers said they received their M1 iPad Pro orders a few days earlier than expected. Multiple people also received their AirTag orders. It's just logistics. You got warehouses all over the world. You got your FedEx, you got your UPS winking at you. And they sometimes, something heads out before it should. And a lucky customer gets to experience before the rest of the world. Or experience or at least post about it because they ain't got no embargo. They ain't got no bargo. Well, you ever heard that word before?
Embargo? Yeah.
Yeah, they ain't got one.